Well, we were thinking of doing something with our garage. It was just a dumping ground, complete mess, and getting worse by the second. So we thought, let's do something. We Google searched, came across Garageflex, and suddenly our eyes were open to the possibilities. Hence, here we are sitting in our newly transformed garage. Well, like most people, our particular pain area was just the sheer amount of clutter that builds up in a garage. So as you can probably see above me, we now have a proper ceiling and loft area. So a lot of that stuff you don't need more than once or twice a year is now out of sight. So we wanted to do that, and having got rid of that clutter, it meant we've got much more space to actually use the garage as a place to exercise. Well, it couldn't have been easier to design and install. Serena was fantastic. She came around several times and she had a real grip on the art of the possible. There were all sorts of ways that we could have done it, and we've done certain things here that are semi-bespoke, I think, as well as things that are standard. We're delighted with the results. We have a roller garage door instead of a lift up, which means we maximise the space. We have a proper ceiling with spotlights that you can probably see here, and many plugs. We put as many plugs around the room as we could do, just for current use and potential future use. We'd like this to be something we use all year round. So we've got 2 vertical radiators in here, which we just have on a low heat, but just to take the edge off. This really has changed our life. We have 4 teenage children who basically argue with us to get in here first. We have 2 machines, maybe we need more. But it's meant that we can just stay fit. You know, as you get older, you need to be doing as much, if not more, as before. We've got the Peloton machines in here, which are connected with Netflix. It's now a great fun room, not just the dumping ground it was. Actually, looking around, I don't think I could have imagined it looking this amazing. With all the storage facilities and so forth, everything's off the ground. So whilst it's a small single garage, really, it now feels massive. We've got plenty of room in here. So yeah, it's exceeded all expectations. We're very happy to be people that recommend. I would say to anyone watching this, it's really simple. You end up with something that's bespoke to you, that fits your lifestyle. And the folks that came to install were super friendly, super professional. Everything was taken away, no mess. And here we are with a fantastic, it's wrong to even call it a garage anymore.